Creating a study plan is an important step in preparing for CMA exams. Here are a few tips on how to create a study plan. Set realistic goals. Start by setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals for what you want to accomplish during your study time. Prioritize studying. Identify the most important topics and concepts that you need to focus on, and prioritize them in your study plan. Create a schedule. Break down your study time into smaller chunks and schedule them into your calendar. Be sure to include time for breaks and leisure activities. Use a variety of study methods. Experiment with different study methods to find out what works best for you, such as flashcards, mnemonic devices, and practice problems. Be flexible. Remember that your study plan is a guide, not a rigid schedule. Be flexible and adjust it as needed. Stay motivated. Set a reward for yourself for completing the study plan and stick to it. Get organized. Keep all your study materials and notes in order. Use a study notebook to keep track of your progress, and use a calendar or a planner to schedule your study time. Hold yourself accountable. Tell someone about your study plan and schedule, and ask them to hold you accountable to it. Remember, creating a study plan is a process and it may take some time to find the best approach that works for you. But once you find it, it will be helpful in achieving your goals.